Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Tuesday, July 14th, 2026, your daily market intelligence simplified. Markets opened the week under pressure as technology stocks led a broad sell-off. The Nasdaq 100 dropped 1.88% to 29,164, while the S&P 500 fell 0.78% to 7,517. Chip stocks tumbled about 5% following a rout in South Korean semiconductor shares. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions sent oil surging over 9% to 78.14 US dollars per barrel as the US announced a naval blockade of Iran. Adding to market jitters, the Federal Reserve signaled a potential rate hike could be on the table if inflation stays hot. Treasury yields climbed to 4.62%. Among this week's standout movers, Figma led the charge, surging 10% as investors rotated out of crowded chip trades and into software stocks, with the AI losers outperforming across the board. CCC Intelligent Solutions climbed 3.8% after Elliott Management built a stake ahead of potential sale talks, suggesting a bidding contest could emerge. PayPal and Reddit each gained 3%, PayPal on accelerating Venmo growth that's finally offsetting checkout headwinds, and Reddit ahead of earnings as AI licensing deals loom large. Finally, Shopify rose 2% following a Jefferies upgrade that positioned the company as the infrastructure powering agentic commerce, where AI shops for you. Markets are sending mixed signals ahead of today's crucial inflation report. The Fed funds curve now prices in about 1.5 rate hikes for 2026, the most hawkish positioning we've seen all year. But here's the disconnect. Truflation's real-time inflation gauge has been trending lower since May. This divergence creates a critical inflection point. A hot core reading validates the market's hawkish repricing, while a softer print could trigger a rapid unwind of Monday's moves. All eyes on the data at 8:30 Eastern. Looking ahead, July 14th is packed with catalysts. U.S. June CPI data drops. Economists expect inflation near 3.8%, down from 4.2% in May. A hot core reading could trigger a July rate hike. New Fed Chair Kevin Warsh faces his first House testimony that same day. Markets will hang on every word. Big bank earnings also land July 14th. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo report. Watch loan growth and trading revenue, not just headline beats. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.